Hello, I'm in a 2010 Nissan Pathfinder, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust your language interface between English, Spanish, or French. So first, make sure your vehicle's on, and then from here we'll go to Settings, and then we'll scroll down until we get to Language/Units, push Enter, and then Enter again on Language. And then here it's on English, and then there's French or Spanish. So let's say we want Spanish, we'll hit Enter. Are you sure? Yes. And then it'll take just a moment to reboot everything into Spanish. And then I speak English, so I'll redo all this to show you how to put it back to English. So from your settings button, we'll scroll down to Idioma, push Enter. And then the very top one, Seleccione Idioma. And then here English, French, or Spanish again, so I'll go back to English. Are you sure? Yes. And that's it. It just takes a moment to reboot and auto saves. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.